first, wash my hands. So my co-teacher just dropped me off at home. I usually take the bus, but because my area has been experiencing a slight uptick in cases, so just to be on the safe side, I'm not taking public transportation. I'm avoiding that right now, for the most part. I just got back, but I'm kind of craving ice cream. Let's go get ice cream. I don't know why I've been craving ice cream lately, but, I guess maybe it's because of the warmer weather, but I don't know. I don't usually crave ice cream, so I'm confused. It's so nice out. That means that there's so many people. I don't want people watching me film myself, so I'm doing it discreetly. Anyways. Kinda want a drink too. I got more stuff. I got more than just ice cream. So, oops. To be honest, I just need to get over the fear of filming in public. Because the reason why I'm like afraid of filming in public is because I don't want people to stare at me. But they're already doing that, so might as well just use the opportunity. There's just no good lighting in this apartment, which makes me sad. But I'll just go ahead and give you a quick GS25 haul. Of course, I got my Coca-Cola. I got my trusty Hi-Chew. I got some Pringles. I always have Pringles, but I usually just get the original because I'm lame like that. But I wanted to try the hot and spicy. Truth be told, oh god. Truth be told, Korean flavors throw me off sometimes because you think that they're going to be savory. Well, they're not. They're sweet. Or like there's some weird savory sweet thing that I haven't gotten used to yet. I got these to try. How wrong can you go with gummy bears? Here's my ice cream. Strawberry flavored. Because I'm bland like that. I got some Twix. I got some Twix and Talgi mat uyu. I love the strawberry flavored yogurt. I don't know why, what it is, but I love the strawberry flavored yogurt. I just like strawberry flavored things, in case you can't tell. 1, 2, and 3. The best. So, what are my plans, you may be asking? Don't know. I mean, I do know, but I don't know the exact timeline. I just need to... I want to hike. I need to go shopping for some things for my apartment. I need to clean up my apartment. And film, of course. So, yeah, those are my plans. It's gonna be pretty chill. Or maybe it won't. I don't know. Maybe I'll take a nap today. But to be honest, I just kind of plan on just laying down on my bed. Super exciting, I know. But I did get invited to dinner with some other EPIK teachers, but I, don't feel entirely comfortable eating in a restaurant after these recent cases that have popped up in my city. And, but mostly I'm just tired. Mentally exhausted. I taught 3rd graders today, so maybe you can imagine. Anyways, I'm so excited to finally be filming again and to be putting out some more videos about Jeonnam, about Korea. Like, I seriously can't wait. I'm so excited. And I'm sorry I was gone for so long. That was so bad. But it is what it is, like I said. It is what it is, but what exactly is it?
Take me out into the water as the full moon rises. Don't wake me up, don't wake me up, and open up my eyes.
Good morning. It's almost 12 on Saturday. I woke up actually like 30-ish minutes ago, but I just needed to sleep until whenever I woke up. You know, sometimes you just need to sleep with no alarm kind of thing. I'm about to order some coffee and breakfast, and after I do that, I'm just gonna get myself together. I kind of want to take some pictures today just for Instagram, like nothing special. I just want to take some pictures and then we'll go from there.
In your footprints, I am clinging to your voice. Don't fade away, don't fade away. Now that I've come so close.
So I've done my makeup and I took some pictures. Not a lot. I just had like this one image in my mind that I wanted to do. And so now it's time for me to clean up my apartment. It's time for me to clean up my apartment. I swear it is well overdue. Well overdue. I need to pick up my apartment and then I have ideas for it. I recently got from IKEA a lamp and a bedside table, but I want a mirror, I want a floor lamp, I want a coat rack. Like, there's a lot more that I need to like feel like it's complete, you know? I also need to get my bathroom together. I have a lot that I need to do. And so that's why this 5-day weekend is perfect for me to finally get my stuff together. And yeah, so what I have, I just did simple makeup, but on my lips, I recently got this as a sample and I love it so much that I might just buy the full thing. It is this little buddy right here. It's the Hera, I'm trying to read the Korean English. Sensual Fresh Nude Tint. I think. Sensual Fresh Nude Tint. In the color Pure Tattoo. I like it a lot, so whatever. And then on my face I have the Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop tint. I got this in shade 1. I like it. I like it a lot. It wears well underneath my mask when I do have to wear it. But my only problem is that I don't have a proper powder. Some parts of my face might look a little darker, which is bothering me a lot because the powder, I bought the Fenty powder in the shade Butter, and that, it oxidizes my makeup so much. And so I can only leave the powder on for like half a second and then I have to like brush it off. So anyways, enough talking. I need to get cleaning badly. I'll show you the apartment a little bit more once I got it under control. But like you see back there, I just throw stuff. There. I want to put a plant there. Like, I have ideas. I just haven't had the time or the motivation to do so.
Now that I've come so close, 'cause I'm dreaming of us, head in a cloud, laying your arms tonight.
proposed artificial waterfall. Why they have a fake one? I don't know. I'm on my way now to try and catch the bus to Jeonnam. We'll see. I'm gonna hike with my friend Carolina, and we're gonna hike Mokpo-si. It's like one of the smallest national parks in Korea, but it's regardless. I think it'll be a really pretty hike. We're just doing a waterfall one, so I'll see if I actually see some waterfalls, real ones, instead of the fake one. It's already recording, so all you gotta do is
environmentally friendly treadmill.
Oh my god. We're probably a lot more core strength than I was expecting. That's probably a better workout. Oh my god, that's so cool. I've never seen that in my entire life. No.
Oh my god.
That's so cool, isn't it?
That is so cool.
Wow.
Everything's so environmentally friendly.
Dang, you can really go too. You want to see some real speed?
Those are for sit-ups.
Yeah. Isn't that crazy?
It smells so crisp.
Look, it looks so nice over there. Here. Let's just say you don't move in. You can put your shoes here, but for what? You can walk down? I think you can like literally walk into the...
There's the different sections, and I wonder if it's by like height or depth or something.
Yeah.
But I think there's like a sign down there that like...
Oh. Whoa. we made it to the waterfalls. There's not any water really, but that's okay. It's a lot greener apparently than it was before, and that's really what matters to me. But I mean, it's still pretty regardless, and such a pretty hike. And this is mostly for the experience, right? There's actually a lot more to Old Tucson than just the waterfalls. There's so much to do. Like there's other trails, like harder ones. I think one trip was like 4 hours round trip. This one's like 2. So yeah, now we're gonna take a break and eat a snack. Talking to myself, don't worry about it. So we finished our hike, our little hike, but now we're heading back to town. We took the short way down. We're heading back to town to meet up with our other friend who lives here. So
So I just took a long nap. I think I took like a 4-hour nap. I don't even know if you can consider that a nap at that point. I feel like I can never just take a nap. Like, I feel like people can take naps like 1 or 2 hours, right? Like they can take a nap for 1 or 2 hours. No, when I take a nap, it's like 4 or 5 hours. Granted, I did not even set like an alarm. I just kind of slept until I woke up. Yes, today for me was a half day. For some people, most of my friends in the program, they still have to work today. So Wednesday is Children's Day, and Children's Day is kind of a big deal here, and I know it is in China and in like other countries too, but so much so that it's like a national holiday. I think the US has Children's Day, but it's not a national holiday, you know, like to the point that people get off work, like adults get off work. It's a national holiday. But schools are also given like discretionary holidays. So, like they can like place like just random holidays anywhere that they want, but most people, I believe, either put 2 discretionary holidays before Children's Day or after Children's Day. So either way, you get like a 5-day weekend. And so my school put the discretionary holidays before Children's Day. Now, for me, I have to use my paid vacation in order to take those off. But I believe like the actual like real teachers. Sorry, I got a notification about my delivery. It just started. Anyways, so what was I saying? All right, so my like the normal teachers, the normal Korean teachers at my school, they don't have to take paid vacation. But since I believe I'm a contract employee, I have to take paid vacation if I want to take those days off. Now, I initially was planning to not take those days off and just save them up for the summertime or wintertime, but my teacher kind of was like, it seemed like she wanted me to take those days off. And at the time, I was like, oh yeah, like I'll take them off, like, because I was thinking of going to Seoul because there is a Pablo Picasso exhibit coming. It started, I believe, May 1st or like May 2nd, something like that. And he's showing the Massacre of Korea, I think, for the first time here. Anyways, I wanted to go, but I decided to cancel the trip because of just that recent uptick in cases. I think I would have been okay. Like, I wasn't planning, I don't want to eat in public. I don't, I think I would have been okay. But something in my gut was telling me not to go. And I'm trying to learn to trust my gut instinct. I don't think anything bad is going to happen. I think there were just other things that were more important for me to do. Like get my apartment together and film this for you all, because I don't know if I would feel comfortable in filming in Seoul just yet. I don't know why. Oh, but the reason why I had to still the reason why I still had to teach is because of the program that I do. So I travel to other schools as well as my main school, but I travel to other schools to teach what they call like English town, sort of. Normally the kids come to our school and it's like a little mini field trip for them, but because of COVID, they just figured it's better for 2 people to travel than like 30 little kids to travel unnecessarily. So, but the school that I'm teaching at now, along with my main school, they don't have the discretionary holidays today or tomorrow. So they were still open, right? And so we were like, okay, well, we'll still come and teach on Monday like usual in the morning, and then whatever, and then take a half day and whatever. So that's why it's kind of not really a 5-day weekend for me. It's more like a 4.5, but it's no big deal, really. I think I hear my food. Yes. I don't know what to do. I don't know what I should do. What should I do? Should I go for a walk and show you a little bit of the walk? Should I just take a lazy day? Or like a lazy evening and watch movies? I think it's just gonna be a lazy day. I'm so sorry. But tomorrow I want to go to the Lotte Mart. I think, yeah. But tomorrow I want to go to the Lotte Mart. I don't think I can go on Wednesday because if it's a national holiday, I don't know what kind of stores are open on those types of national holidays. So I'm probably going to go to the Lotte Mart tomorrow, and I want to get a plant, right? I want to get a plant for my little entryway here. I want to get a couple, but transportation's like an issue for me. I can always take a taxi, but the thing is, like, the taxis are a little bit stressful here. If the weather's nice, like if it's not too cloudy, maybe I'll go like on a sunset walk. There's a place where I feel like the sunset would be really pretty to watch, but I've never walked that far because I didn't want to, but I also don't know how to like get over there. Okay, so either when I snap my fingers, you'll be getting a sunset walk, or it's just gonna cut to the next day. Okay? 3, 2, 1.
The next day.
I'm home with my stuff. Also, this is a soju box, but in order to not use a plastic bag, I reused a box that they had available. So therefore, I have a soju box. Because I did get some things to put here. I failed to find a plant, which was sad. I was looking for like a specific plant. I was looking for the snake plant, the mother-in-law's tongue. I saw some, but I've changed my mind. I mean, I still want it, but I think I want to get it somewhere else, if that makes sense. Some of them kind of looked a little sick, and I didn't feel like trying to nurse it back to health right now. I bought like a tray for face masks. You'll see, and you'll see in a minute.